just started again. Another big storm. Raining a lot. Pretty windy today. You can hear the thunder. Probably shoot some lightning. Whoa! The wind is coming right to me. Look at these trees right there. Yeah, see the wind. Oh my God! Wow! Yeah, I'm not getting too far out. I'm on my house porch. Yeah. Well, June 25, 2013. It's raining. Oh my God. Raining a lot. And the wind's still blowing here. See that? Woohoo! The wind is completely crazy. The reason I got out is because I heard the thunder, but also that it was really gray. One part of the sky was light gray and the other part was dark gray, and I don't know, I just took my camera, my Canon 115 IS, and came out to take some shot, but it's really ugly. I think I'll have to close it here and wipe out the lens because so much water and condensation. So yeah, that is it. Look at that. Totally crazy. Okay, make a post.